Aboya, only few things you have to share with those people who are gathering in the 81st, 81 Union Assembly delegates. Singorozo o ekasi bosso pungjak Union Assembly ni delegates. Dino sing Catholic kok thai khanana ni thangui tongo. Hai pono sing mungsa kisu asa kabang matu yapana matro text ang poriwanan. I would like to read out the text. After that, we'll bring with a small portion. Now, Pat would like to share. I'd like to request our chairman to read out the scripture passage from Joshua chapter 1 to 9. We have been hearing since yesterday, but today I'd like. Verse 1, Nisimi Kaisa Kunikatangtangi, verse 9 jo. Arwa Hanya Sazaka Bo Ingrezi by Bertanut Keo Kogro Sanai. I have some note in English, I speak in Kogro sometimes. Joshua is divinely called to the task so he is to undertake as Moses' successor. Reference Deuteronomy 34, verse 9. Mosi by Tongo, Mosi ni logi Tongani Bagi Bojotong Sijak, Boni Bagi Joshua, Bo Kaitor by Rinjab. Mosi by a Kaitor by. Joshua is divinely called to the task which he is undertaken as Moses' successor. Baksa Mosi no Baksa Mutinya ya, not person. Kintu God, bono ringka, bono bini jaksu nan bagi, bo songka. Tekso saka, musi tonglak, bo tunai, abon bono, bono songnai, songka. Sing Ditio Bibron, 1 Yuni, chapter 34, verse 9, Arwa Hai Hunisizar. And Joshua the son of Nun was full of the spirit of wisdom, for Moses has laid his hand on him. Manka. Mosi boyak beraka tinising ora kabanga ordination induction service of Nuka, daito rizaka. Abo waisina divine himself. Te borak ministro bonu kok nanana nai. People will hear their command, their order, because Moses has laid hand like commission, like ordination to Joshua. Abang ulos ng verse 1 to